Okay, so my girlfriend got bogged coming to see me from Nelson's Bay today, and she came, parked up, got bogged, and we have tried everything. We've been putting fucking bricks and planks of wood and everything under here, and no good. Then this monster turns up. Wowza. Now there you go. You want to be rescued? Forget RACQ or NRA. This is the monster truck. Okay, so we're working out how to get the rope tied correctly so that this beast can take my girlfriend's motorhome off the bogged outcroft. Tiny, tiny, tiny. You weren't expecting this, were you?
2 times in one day.
Oh my God.
I think you would learn. She is all set up on the road. Much safer and flat area.